Aruba. Last time we were here, we were riding ATVs, jet skiing, wandering around in order to discover everything this Dutch desert island had to offer. Sometimes, there's places you have to visit twice. Maybe because of the friendly atmosphere or the notorious slogan of one happy island. Or maybe it's the crack they put in the tap water. It's good. And I'm back for more. You guessed it. This time, I'm back in Aruba. With friends. A gang of misfits who are surely going to leave a mark before they leave this country. We came to eat, and we came to explore. Join us for a 4-part series, soaking in all the fun. And there's me. We're taking on Aruba. Bonbini means welcome in Papiamento, a combination of 5 languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Dutch, all 4 creating the island tongue of Papiamento. By age 5, kids are fluent in at least 4 of them. Take notes, America. Today, we have a jam-packed schedule. A private tour of the Arikok National Park booked through ABC Tours. Meet our guides, Marvin Jr. and Big G. They picked us up in a couple of turbocharged off-road Land Cruisers. These things are the real deal, and they're fast. We made our way, zooming through town until we reached the park. From there, we passed one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, Prins, located on the rocky coast of Santa Cruz. Then, we made our way over to the Guadirikiri Caves. Wait, what?
Guadirikiri.
Yeah, so you can leave your stuff here.
Guadirikiri?
Guadirikiri, yeah.
Guadirikiri. We are at the Guadirikiri Caves.
Guadirikiri?
Guadirikiri Cave.
Guadirikiri.
And in the distance, you can see the windmills. The story of this ancient place is a bit overwhelming. Inhabited by nocturnal bats and the Arawak Indians back in 1000 AD, carvings can be found inside the cave to testify their existence. The folklore here states the tale of a girl, Guadirikiri, who fell in love with the man unaccepted by her father. Her lover vanished to the cave where she would meet him underground, both never to return again. Close by, there's an old plantation, Plantage Prins. We stopped here for a nice afternoon pedicure, and boy, does it feel weird. Afterwards, we continued our bumpy journey until we arrived at Playa, 2 beaches. A pair of bordering coves carved out of the island's natural limestone. With high swells and remotely located, it's a true surfer's paradise. As we made our way to the next destination of the trip, it downpoured on us for a nice outdoor shower. Serious Jurassic Park vibes.
So the T-Rexes are following us. We're trying to get away as fast as we can. Go, Marvin, go! Go, Marvin!
We finally arrived to the Holy Grail, natural pool. Also known as Conchi, a self-formed pool and jacuzzi created over time from waves bashing the rocks. A true hidden oasis. Usually a tourist hotspot, it's much slower on the island these days. We really hit the jackpot. We had it all to ourselves, and after a long day trekking through the park, cooling off never felt so rewarding. There's a small natural jacuzzi you can relax in, or have some fun jumping off the slippery rocks. Exhausted and satisfied, we took a bumpy sunset drive back through the park. For dinner, we hit up Wacky Woohoos, an island must. And can I mention the bread here tastes like gold? With a plethora of seafood options and vegetarian dishes like Alfredo pasta, oven-roasted Caribbean chicken, plantains, or some fresh coconut shrimp. Everyone can find something to eat.
Delicious. Thank you.
And what better way than to end the night on the beach with the gang?
Guys, what's up?
Last one standing.
Stay tuned for next time as we take a break at Baby Beach and a sunset cruise with a big surprise. Keep those seatbelts buckled because we're taking on Aruba.